Hey everyone! Okay, so you bought your first tube of LipSense and you need to know how to apply it. Something to keep in mind is that LipSense is not like your typical lipstick. This is not something that you can go over and over and over again. It needs to be applied a certain way so that it has really good staying power. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so there's three things that you want to keep in mind when you're applying LipSense. You want to make sure that your lips are clean and dry. You want to apply it in one direction, and then you don't want your lips to touch. So keep those three things in mind when you're applying LipSense. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is that you want to take a wet washcloth and you want to clean your lips. You want to make sure that you remove any other lip balm that's on there, any other lip gloss, any other lipstick that's on it. The only way that LipSense is going to bond to your lips is if they're clean. If they're not clean, they're going to bond to whatever is on your lips, and then it's going to come off right away. Something else to keep in mind is that a lot of times when we do our makeup, foundation gets on our lips and we don't even realize it. So make sure after you do your foundation that you wipe your lips. Okay, those should be clean, and now I just have a dry towel. I'm gonna dry them. Make sure they're really good and dry. Today I'm gonna be applying Roseberry. This is actually the first time I've tried this color, but it looks really pretty, so let's give it a try. First thing you wanna do is you wanna shake your LipSense tube really well. This is what's going to mix up all the pigment in there, and it's gonna help bond to your lips better. Shake, shake, shake. You're gonna insert your applicator and you're gonna take it out and you're gonna wipe off the excess. Now here's a trick that I've learned. Some distributors are gonna tell you to clean off your wand totally so it almost seems like there's no product on there. When I have done that in the past, I have found that I'm not getting the wear time that I want out of my LipSense. So I don't do super thin layers. This is where you're gonna have to kind of experiment with your own lips and see what works for you. But I have found that not applying super thin layers works better for me. So I just wipe the brush off a little bit just to get like any globs off. You don't wanna put any globs on your lips, otherwise you'll have globs on your lips. Okay, so here we go. Layer one. You're gonna go in one direction and you're not gonna go back and forth over that application. Think of LipSense like a whiteboard. So say you were to draw a line on a whiteboard with a black whiteboard marker, and then you were to go back over that line again, it would actually like wipe off that line. LipSense is very similar, same way. Layer one. Okay, don't let your lips touch and let it dry, dry, dry. Layer two. Make sure you get your corners and your waterline. Let layer two dry. I like to check and make sure that it actually is dry. If it's still kind of wet, it might not bond very well to your lips. Okay, layer three. Okay, that was 3 layers. Let that dry really well. Okay, that feels pretty dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with Glossy Gloss. You always wanna seal it with a gloss. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Glossy Gloss is clear, it's the shiniest one. If you don't seal it with a gloss, it'll stay sticky and it'll wear off much faster. See? And the wand is clear. There's no transfer onto the wand, so that's how your Glossy Gloss always stays so clear. All right. See? There you go. So that's how you apply LipSense. Let me know if you have any questions or if I can help you. Enjoy. Bye.